Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Home Decor in 3 minutes. Today I am going to be talking about black kitchen cabinets. Black cabinets are a great way to add a touch of modern style to your kitchen, and they can be paired with a variety of different colors and finishes to create a unique look. There are a lot of great things about black kitchen cabinets. First of all, they are very versatile. You can pair them with a variety of different colors and finishes, so you can create a look that is perfect for your style. Second, black kitchen cabinets are very durable. They are resistant to scratches and stains, so they will look great for years to come. Third, black cabinets can make your kitchen look larger. The dark color absorbs light, which can make the space feel more spacious. Of course, there are a few downsides to black kitchen cabinets. First of all, they can be a bit more expensive than other colors. Secondly, black cabinets can make your kitchen feel dark if you do not have a lot of natural light. Third, black kitchen cabinets can also show fingerprints and dust more easily than other colors. How to make black kitchen cabinets look good? There are few things you can do to make black kitchen cabinets look good. First of all, make sure you have good lighting in your kitchen. This will help to improve the space from feeling too dark. Second, add some bright pops of color to your kitchen. This will help to offset the darkness of your cabinets and create a more blank look. Third, use constructing hardware. This will help to highlight the cabinets and make them stand out. Here are some black kitchen cabinets ideas for modern homes. Metal black cabinets are a great way to add a touch of modern style to your kitchen. They are sleek and sophisticated, and they can be paired with a variety of different colors and finishes. Glossy black cabinets are another great option for modern kitchen. They are shiny and reflective, and they can really make the space pop. Black kitchen cabinets are a great way to add a touch of modern style to your kitchen. If you are thinking about updating your kitchen, black cabinets are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more home improvement tips and tricks.